Hello, this is Bear from Elliott Wave. How's it going? Here's a new video on the Nasdaq. We're going to take a quick look at what's happening and what could be happening using the Elliott Wave theory as always. So first of all, I gotta say, make sure to tune in for Thursday live session where I'm gonna be declaring the winner of a private call with me to celebrate together, guys, the 2,000 subs. So make sure to tune in that. If you're not gonna be there live, obviously you can watch the recording. And if you'll be the winner, you'll be tagged along as well. So, as I said, today we're going to focus on the Nasdaq. We had three different scenarios. One of them, I'd say two of them, have been invalidated. So we can look, and we are going to do so today, at the main scenario that I want to focus on. And I want to keep as my primary count for the upcoming days. So here you can see the one you're seeing right now is, again, I'm forecasting the possibility of a zigzagging wave 4 off cyclically. So that's going to take quite some time. It could take up to, I would say, 5 years or so. What we would see is, as you can see here, 5 waves down, so a flat into wave A. I would expect upside in wave B, which could potentially come soon during summer. And then with 2023 on the horizon, we could look for further downside. So that's what I see. That's what could happen. Alternatively, we could get a more sideways correction, which would have been ideal if this was a flat. Now, as I said, I do prefer this view, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Obviously, we do not have wave count invalidation. Let me show you. Let's draw a line. As you can see here, wave 1 does not overlap wave 4, so we have no wave count invalidation. And as you guys can see, let me zoom in. We have a clear 5-wave move. And if we go on to the 4 hours, and if we go on the intraday chart, we can see how we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1. Up into clear 3-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 3, another 3-wave move into wave 4, 1, 2, 3, ABC, and then again down for wave 5. So right now what could happen is we have some kind of 1, 2, 3, could be making 4 by the end of the week, and then go on to wave 5. Next week maybe we'll get upside. So obviously what I'm saying is, it's not a financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor, so these are just my own ideas. And I guess that we could expect for downside, but if we want to consider go long, we need to wait for confirmation. I would like to see this high being broken, retested it in a 3-wave manner, and then at that point we can start looking for longs. If that doesn't happen, we have no reason to believe the trend has switched onto bull mode, and we can still look for further downside. So my alternate would be, again, a flat into wave A. So I would say a flat, obviously wave 4, and wave 3 being a 3-wave move. Now, what could happen is, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and now we're getting for 5 for wave C. So that's possible. We cannot get an ending diagonal into wave C because wave 1 was a 5-wave move. And ending diagonal they subdivide into a series of 3s. So they have ABC in wave 1, ABC in wave 2, ABC in wave 3, and so on. So because wave 1 of the diagonal, this one is a 5-wave move, we cannot have an ending diagonal. So that's the only way I can see this correction being a flat. And it's possible, obviously, if we have a flat, usually what happens is we're going to take more time to correct. So it's going to be more of a time-consuming correction, which, I mean, if we are looking for a recession, it's possible. It's going to take time. And if not, it's just going to take a couple of years. So overall, as you guys can hear, I do expect downside in long term. So 6 months, 1 year from now, I expect much more downside to come. It looks like we could easily reach the 2020 lows, the 2020 COVID lows. So there could be much more to come. There's no reason to be bullish at the moment, both technicals, so Elliott Wave, as well as fundamental. So I remain, let's say, bearish, and I follow my wave count. My wave count is just for downside. So until I do get a clear sign of reversal, every pullback to the upside could potentially be opportunity to short the market. So that was about it for me today. As always, subscribe if you haven't already, if you don't want to miss out on the next update. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to tune in for Thursday's live session. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.